What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use RemitBee to transfer money worldwide. So to get started, you can click the link in the description below. It will take you to RemitBee website, and when you use my referral code, you will get $10. Once you're on RemitBee's website, select sign up. So here you're going to select whether you're going to go with a person or business account. So I'm going to go with person, specify my email address, password, and then sign up. Now at the time of watching this video, I do not have a referral code for you can benefit from free discounts and so forth. So make sure you check the description to see if one is available whenever you are signing up, and then you'll select I have referral code and then you place a referral code here, right? So here I'm just going to select sign up, specify a phone number, and then select send code. Enter the code that was text to your mobile phone. So once you receive your code, you're going to enter it here. Then you're going to select continue. So once you're successfully signed up and logged in, you'll be landed on the main dashboard page. From the main dashboard page, you have the option to send money directly. So let's select send money. If you're using the mobile app, all the features are pretty similar. So from the drop down, you're going to select the country that you want to send money to, right? So as you can see, not a lot of countries are supported, so I'm going to select United States, then select continue. I'm just going to say send $10, right? Then select continue. For the receiving method, you only have the option to do a bank deposit for the United States. So here I'm going to select continue. Now here you're going to specify the recipient name, so I'm just going to specify my information here. Now the email address is optional, so you can continue without it. And here you're going to specify the recipient banking information. So you're going to specify the routing number and the account number. Once you have specified the account details, then you provide the address information. Now once you do that, you're going to select continue. Here you're going to start the verification process. So select start verification. So begin verification, select the country which your ID was issued, then select your ID type. I'm going to go with driver's license, right? And here you can use a camera to take a front picture and back of it as well. Here I'm just taking a photo of my ID. So now they're making sure it's me, so I'm going to select get started. So here I need to take a selfie of myself, as you can see. So it says look left. So they're actually verifying my identity now. So for the personal information, it will be automatically taken from your ID. So here I'm just going to select continue. Also your residential address will be populated based on your ID. Here I'm just going to select continue. And then here you're going to select your occupation and then select continue. For the purpose of transfer, you can select anyone, right? I'm just going to say life expense and then select continue. Now here you're just going to choose how you want to pay, and here's a list of banks that you can choose from. So if you're not seeing your bank, you can do it from the search, right? So I'm just going to select simply. And here you can see the fees that are associated with the various options and the amount it will actually cost me to send the money. So with the EFT, it will cost $2.99. With the e-transfer, $2.99. With a debit card, $2.99, right? And here's a summary of how much the recipient will receive. However, the recipient that I provided was my banking information, so it doesn't necessarily make sense I proceed with this transfer. So I just wanted you to get an overview of what it is like to actually send money with RemitBee. Now as you can see, it is geared towards sending money from Canada to other countries, right? So let's look at some of the other features that are available in RemitBee. So I'm going to cancel this here. You have the option to exchange money with RemitBee at no cost. So let's say you have a US bank account in Canada. You can connect RemitBee to that US bank account and then use RemitBee to convert to Canadian dollars, and you'll actually get a better rate than when you do the conversion from your bank, right? So if we start exchange, let's say I want to change 10 Canadian dollars, right? It will give you an estimate of how much US dollars you will receive. So if we select continue, I'm going to say pay invoice, select continue. So the only payment option available for this is the direct withdrawal. So it will go directly to your bank account, right? So here you'll need to actually connect your bank. However, I don't want to do this right now, but I am just giving you an overview of how you can achieve this. So I'm going to cancel this and go to some additional features. Now you have the wallet option where you can actually store money in your wallet. So if you select deposit, it will allow you to store money on RemitBee digital wallet, right? So you just specify how much you want to deposit. Let's say you select continue. It will ask you your deposit method, right? By now you're supposed to get a gist of how this works. So I'm going to close this here. Now on the transactions, will show you a list of transactions that you have performed on your account. Here you can add recipients. So as you can see, I added my US account. If you wanted to add another account, you could select add new recipient. Select the country, let's say India, then select continue. We're going to do a bank deposit, and then it will ask you for additional information to add that bank account. So here I'm just going to cancel this. So that's basically all you need to know about RemitBee, right? Very easy to use, and you can download the mobile app and use it to send money. Again, this is ideal for Canadians wanting to send money outside of Canada, and you can see that the fees are relatively so very decent app in my opinion. You can use it to send money if you like, right? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.